Well, I don't know how much this is going to show because it's getting dark, but I got this new piece in here, and if you look down through here, it's pretty even gap, so I think I'm probably bring a piece of angle iron up like this and over like that on another day. They're calling for snow to start any time now. Last minute thing. I got a couple little beads across here, and then I flipped it over and got 2 monster beads underneath there, so that's good. I also drilled it for 2 pins instead of just 1 pin, so I can do it. I can put 1 pin in if I just need, or I can put 2 pins in, depending on what it calls for. So that's where we're at. That'll get me. So if it snows tonight, that'll get me through that. I still got to do these things here. I guess you can't see the wobbling. There's a ton of wobble in these. You can see how loose that is there. What they did is they just bent a piece of this is just bent around here. You can see it on that side, and they just put a kind of a flat piece in there. Well, that needs to be welded in there. So this bolt, you can see how this bolt's all mushroomed out there. So, and those are bent, so I'll fix that. The only problem with making this stronger than it was, this is a pretty weak little snow pusher, drag, I don't know, plow. I don't know if you really call it a plow. I think it's more a drag than a plow. I don't know the correct terminology on it. It's only about, I bet it's only a 1/4 inch thick. But it's been good for all the years that I've been here. But if I make this super strong here, in this area here, that just means it's going to give up the ghost someplace else. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing to do. So another thing that was kind of strange is these, if you can see, weren't in the center. The center hole was not in the center. See, it's got 1, 2, and it's got 1, 2. This one here is not, should have been over here, which is kind of just the way it is. So anyhow, that's the repairs. I think I'll put all 3 of these on, and I don't know, I got a mess to clean up. You can't see it, it's already dark out here. I got a mess to clean up. I got 10 tons of tools there. I got to put my torches away, put my welder away. So I'm going to probably go eat dinner and then come back and get this. I still got to put the Kubota away. That's sitting over there. You can't see it. It's getting dark out. So anyhow, over and out. That's kind of the wrap up of what we did today. Over and out. Bye.